Hello, just Jason Guyman here with some little tips and tricks. I just wanted to show you what we use to turn on our roof pump. We use a 12-volt roof pump, and we use a window pump, a 2-gallon a minute window pump. We use these 75 amp pull switches here, and this is how we turn on and off our roof pump and our window cleaning pump without having to use a relay. That works fairly well. I'll just show you here. I've got two of them right here on this box. So one of them is, you hear that, the window cleaning, and then the roof pump one. So this is how we turn those on and off. I will put a link down below where I get them, but these work awesome. Hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions, let me know. Hey, Christmas light season is coming around the corner. I've got my Christmas light training all done. Would you be interested if I put Christmas light tips on this channel? I don't know if it'll hurt me, help me, whatever. I may try start doing it, but we'll just see what happens. Hope you have a great day. Thanks, bye.